Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So when you open your TikTok app, as you can see here, now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then right here on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And then tap on the settings and privacy. Now from here, under your settings and privacy, scroll down and then tap on this report a problem. Now from here, you will go on this page and then tap on this account and profile. And from here, you need to go here on editing profile, tap on the drop down menu and then scroll down, tap on other. And then you will go here on the next page and then tap on this need more help at the bottom and you will go here where you can type here your feedback or concern on your TikTok. For example, you want to type, I am currently missing TikTok photo mode option on my account. Please fix this problem. Thank you. So once you've done this one, you can upload this screenshot right here and then tap on submit button. You just wait for a few minutes and you'll receive some informations or instructions on how you can fix this problem. So that's it. That's how we basically fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.